In this lesson, we will understand how AI search engine works. This is a very important lesson in SEO because we no longer doing SEO for only Google, Bing, traditional search engine. We also should be doing SEO for AI based web search engine, also something like Perplexity, ChatGPT research, Gemini. All the AI search engines or AI chatbots have a AI search web search option also. So you should be knowing clearly what are the differences between traditional and AI. So let me go into this directly. I have a sample demo here. So in a traditional search, you search for something, and when you click on search, it can be any search engine, Google, Bing, any sort of search engine. But when you search for something, usually you see a set of results of web pages ranking. Basically, it will give you a title, a meta description, and link to that page. Possibly depending on the search engine you use, you might see some extra features, some from local map, images, video, but this is the most typical way of seeing the results. You will see a list of ranking web pages. So now if we compare the same thing to AI search, what is happening? So I'm doing the same search here. When I search, it no longer giving me that top ranking pages. Instead, it is going to be creating a AI powered answer for you, basically based on all the your intent, understanding your question, your personality, and looking into the ranking or the information it has about this particular from all the web pages. It is going to craft your answer. It's going to, based on the analysis, this is the answer or the recommendation I can provide. So it would give you a personal recommendation or personal compilation of all the pages, and only in its sources or citation it will give you the links for this web pages. So here the user will have two options. One, if he is looking for only this amount of information, he is not going to click on any of these sources. It's done. He is not even going to come into your website or web page. But so for some reason, after seeing this, okay, you understand, okay, this is the web page which is providing all this information. I should go there and read more about it. Then he will visit this particular website or web page. So now let me compare both of this with understanding. Traditional search works more of like matching words or keywords. There are complex process behind it with machine learning, semantic, LSI and everything, but to simplify it, it is going to look all the matching words, keywords or related topic suggestions on that topic to understand your page content. Where AI search works with understanding. It understands the natural questions, the human talking pattern, that subject matter, because they are training this LLM and they are getting intelligent by day after day. So when it understands that, it understands it naturally to give you better understanding of that particular search query. The result format with search engine, it is just a list of links with all the information, but with AI search, it is a direct AI answer with sources and citation links to it. Then traffic for the website. With traditional search engine like Google, you just see a list of ranking web pages ideally, and you should click on any of web pages and it will convert as a traffic. With AI search engine, how it works, it's going to give you a personalized answer, and within the citation or source, it will link that particular web pages. Only when we click on that particular link, it is going to take you to that particular web pages. User experience, this is very important, will be very useful in future SEO videos in this series. Traditional searches where user will go through all the web pages. So he searches for something, he might open the first web pages to see whether it is something he needs or not. He might open the second page, he might open third page, or he might open all 5 pages at once. Anything can happen. So you need to open the web pages, then scan for the information you need. With AI, he will already have the information on before even visiting that web pages. So he will have all the information. Only if he wishes to learn more about that, he might go into that particular website. So it is very important, this user experience. This is why this is important. Like all the SEO tutorial videos will not cover this particular topic. I personally felt this is one of the most important video, because you should understand how traditional search engine works, and also you should understand how AI search engine works, because you want to rank your business, service or website in all the AI search engine also, because it is getting more traffic every day. So this video clearly explains that. In next video I will cover how social media search engine works, and if you have any doubts on this chapter, you can ask in the comments. I will explain it.